Hello and welcome. This is the Solaris X, and welcome to Solaris X tutorials. This is to do with Twitch emote sub-tier badges and royalty badges. So I'm going to fill you in those things. Please bear with us whilst we run some music on the background. First of all, what you've got to consider is what sizes do we need the sub tiers and the loyalty badges. Sizes for the subs, well, sub tier 1, sub tier 2, sub tier 3. Upload, we need sizes 28 by 28, 56 by 56, and 112 by 112. And remember, all these sizes needs to be in PNG format. So basically, you need to create a PNG format of those sizes, and for the sub tiers you need a maximum of 25 kilobytes. Any above, it will not work, so bear that in mind. What are sub tiers? Sub tiers is if somebody subscribed to you, they got an image they can use in other channels or your channel. I'll go and show a little demonstration. Give me 2 seconds. As you can see, here is a smiley, so you click the smiley, and over here you'll be seeing all the subs. All these are subs. My tier 1 is this here. This is my tier 2, and my tier 3 will be this one here. So if somebody subscribed with me as tier 1, they'll be getting my skull emote to use in channels. Sub 2, they'll be getting the horn thing hand, and number 3, they'll be getting the Bing's logo, as you could see there. That's your sub tiers, and this is your loyalty badge. As you can see there, 6-month subscriber, so it says I've been subscribed for 6 months or older in my channel. So I was basically affiliate about 6 months ago. When I reaches a year, I'll be getting a golden star as I set it up, and I'm going to show you how to set it up in a bit. So these are your subs, and these are your loyalty badges. So what you do, so basically the loyalty badges are set if you subscribe and stuff like that. Shows how long you've been loyal to the streamer. So what you need to do to set it up, what you do is come down here to the dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, you need to come down straight to the affiliate/partner. This is where you set up all your badges and stuff. Affiliate onboarding. If you can see, this is what you've completed to become affiliate. Change payout method. So basically, how would they pay you through your account, giving all your details. Maybe if you got a PayPal set up, you need to set this payment method so they can pay you using your chosen method. View the affiliate agreement. So this is the terms and conditions, not to violate their conditions. Subscription names. Over here you can set up the name however you want. For tier 1 subscription, I got tier 1 subscription, the Solaris X Lite sub. Tier 2 subscription, the Solaris X Med sub for medium. Tier 3 extreme sub. So basically they did a $25 subscription fee for the extreme. They done a $10 for the medium, and they done $5 for the base sub. So now we got that sorted. Emotes are your subscriptions. So basically you want to go to tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 and set them up, and you'll have 3 different sizes per tier. So you need to set up your emote, and you need to make sure that they are correct sizes, and also make sure that they are a maximum of 25 kilobytes. Do not go any above 25 kilobytes, and you need to set up for 28 by 28 size, 56 by 56 size, 112 by 112 size. It says how it's preset, and these emotes will be taking about a month to be accepted. If it's not accepted, you gotta try again with a different emote. It means your emote is not valid to be used with the terms of Twitch guidelines. So basically you gotta set up your tiers through here, and then from there we got loyalty badges. These are the badges that you set up on your channel. As you see on my channel, I got X6 for my channel letter and 6 month sub there. So that's that one there. So down the base, 3x3 is for 3 month subscribers. You can set this up however you want to. You can create your own in your own time by using stuff like Photoshop. You can use Paint, whatever methods you want, but make sure you got the correct sizes again. As this insists 18, 32 and 74 pixels. 18, 32, 72 pixels. So that's the sizes you need to address right by there. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete the year 1, and I'm going to show you how to set up your sub tiers and your loyalty badges. They both need to be set up the same way as I would show you. Okay, I'm going to delete this star badge a minute. As you can see there, upload image, and you've got to make sure they're at a PNG format. Make sure they are the correct sizes, 36, and the largest will be 72, and then save changes. And that's basically it. That's how you set up your tiers, and that's how you set up your loyalty badges. You have to have all 3 sizes set up. And for current affiliates, go to base, 3 months, 6 months and a year. For partners, you go to 2 years sub, 4 years sub and 8 years sub. So this is the last subscription loyalty badge where you are loyal for 8 years or more, you know, you've been subscribed for 8 years or more. So basically, you go up to 1 year for affiliate, you get up to 8 years for partners. Allow subscribers to chat freely in your channel when chat slow mode. So basically, this is subscribers will be able to chat freely when there's slow mo activated. You can use subscriber only chat, but I don't use that. I just let people chat freely in my channel. And subscriber only archives, I don't allow that neither. So that's freely as well. And that is it. That's the basis of the tiers, emotes, and your loyalty badges. And I do hope this helps you in your future on TwitchTV, and feel free to set up your own loyalty badges, or you can come to me, whisper me on Twitch at the SolarisX, or if you are on Discord, you can find me on Discord too without an issue. I hope this helps you streamers on Twitch about the sub badges and the loyalty badges, sub emotes and loyalty badges. So the sizes are different. You could set every single size per badge and emote, but other than that, this covers my quick tutorial on sub tiers and loyalty badges. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll speak to you again next time. All the best, take care.